and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a few different items to share with you today from fansells.com, but let's start with this one. I need some scissors. I feel like I've not needed scissors to open packaging for a while. So this first one is a bit more of an off the canvas item, as I like to call them. I do like having a stash of things that are just a little bit different. I think I said that in last week's video, but these were an adorable little set of key rings. So they are double-sided. So we have red, orange, brown, not looking too happy, blue, blue, green and yellow. So these are little key rings. They are done on acrylic pieces, but basically you peel back this top coat to stick down your diamonds. You do get the little chain and clips to be able to put your key rings together, and you get a boat wax and pen. But the diamonds we have, of course, will match. We have some orange, some brown, green, red, yellow. We also have some black that appears sort of across the board, mainly around mouths and eyebrows. We have some blue, we have some yellow, and we have some silver. So the yellow is actually on sort of the arms and the legs, and then the silver is the feet and the hands. But other than that, the colours sort of match. They do come with letters or with symbols, and they are on the actual packets as well to let you know where to place the diamonds. But I thought that was a really sweet little key ring set. I love to have some sets of key rings in, just for fun little things for me or people I'm getting into diamond painting to do, because they don't take too long. Another thing I often like to have a few of in, though I've actually not done any of my stash for a while, but I do like to have in some partial diamond painting. So this is a gorgeous partial one. It's a 30 by 30, but the actual sort of inside, the border area is 25 by 25, with the actual places that you diamond paint just a little bit less than that. Excuse me, but you don't diamond paint everywhere on these. So you do diamond paint around the vase, and then it's more highlights on the flowers. And in turn, in the bouquet, you do quite a lot on some flowers and just a little bit on others, depending on which flower it is. And then you also do quite a bit of the greenery in the background. So there's actually quite a few places on this one that you actually do put diamonds, but you get a chance to put a few different shapes. So you do get a toolkit. We have some standard rhinestones as well as some shaped rhinestones. Excuse me again. So we have clear crystals, red, pink, a couple of different shades of green. Then we have some slightly bigger ones in pink. Then we have some in teardrop, in hot pink, and we have some red, and then we have some small pink. So it's a mixture of all of those that make up these flowers, which gives a really nice effect once you've got them all on there. Sorry about that. This cough I have left over from a cold does not want to go away. But yes, that is a partial diamond painting, though that's quite a full one. I do like those as well for quicker little projects. And then we have a larger project. So this one will take you a bit longer. It's a full drill and it's a 40 by 50. It is in round, but I thought it was absolutely stunning. So it's flowers, it's sort of like an inverted colour palette, but it is 44 centimetres by 34 centimetres within the borders. You do get a toolkit. It is in round and it has 22 different colours that do give you the DMC numbers, but look at those colours. They are absolutely amazing. There is no 310. Darkest colour looks to be 823, which is some of this darker blue in the background. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing in 3 different sections, even though it'll all be together for you guys. But some absolutely amazing, bright, funky colours in there. So yeah, they are my selection for today. I will pop the exact links down below for you, provided they are, of course, all still available. But feel free to have a browse, especially around the different sections. You can find some really fun designs and other things to do while you are there. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.